Hi, how are you? In this video, I'm going to take you through this app. It's called VProp Trader. We're going to see from the start how you sign up, and we're going to look at the cool features which you should expect in this app. Okay, I'm going to give you a general overview of how this platform works so that you can gauge and see if it's worthy for you. Okay, now first of all, they have an app and they have a website. You can go their website and sign up. They have, I see here, WhatsApp or email. If you use WhatsApp, the code will probably be sent on your WhatsApp. I used my email and the code was sent to my email. You have to put in your phone number, but the phone number, I didn't get an OTP, so they don't really send the OTP to the phone number. They send it to your email. Okay. So make sure when you're filling in the details are actually valid, because this is money. They will ask you for verification. Okay. So after signing up, you will get access to their dashboard, and we're going to look at some crucial things, crucial functionalities, and how the whole thing works. Okay. Now, to someone who is new to this platform, the simplest way I can tell you about VProp is. This is like a company which will take you for a trading test. Okay. If you prove you are smart and a safer trader, they will give you a big account with their money to trade. Of course, when you make the profits, you will share the profits. You will actually take most of the profits. And this means you never risk your own savings beyond a small test fee that you may have to, make, as we are going to see. But for the start, you can really try to survive without any money. And this platform looks like this. We're going to look at the crucial features that you need to know. Other features, I think you can easily know what they mean. Okay, so we're going to really focus on kind of a core features, and also we shall look at who should. This platform is for who? Okay, is it for beginners? Is it for pros and all that stuff? Okay, without wasting your time, after creating your account, make sure you verify your details. I think in such platforms, I usually recommend someone to verify his account before you do any other work. In fact, for this platform, I see that they're actually serious. They tell you like you have to verify your details before you even deposit. Okay, so we're going to look at the features and see how you can use this platform. Now, the first thing on the header, okay, the first thing on the header is wallet balance. Okay, now this shows by default it has $0 because this is where, like, when you deposit the money, that's where it will come. If you make profits, that's where it will come. So this is actually real money. What you see when you see money here, that is actually your real money. Okay. Verify, you have to verify your account. You just have to go there. Okay, now I have like time left is 29 days. Okay, 29 days and 6 hours. Actually, they give you like 60 days, 30 days to complete a specific challenge. Most prompt farm challenges have a 30-day time limit for the first phase. I have a login ID here, so I assume this is my ID. And here we have like balance is $1,000. This is the starting balance of your challenge account. Okay, this money is virtual money, is for stimulation. It's not really, you don't have to deposit $1,000. It's actually a starting balance that you're going to really play with. Okay, then the rules, profit target is $100. To pass this phase of the challenge, you must make at least $100 in profit, which is 10% of the $1,000 of the starting balance. Minimum trading days is 4. Okay, you must press a trade on at least 4 different days within the challenge period to qualify. This prevents people from passing in a single lucky trade on day one. Okay, it kind of prevents people from passing in a single lucky trade on day one. We're only going to see how those things really what they mean. Results, if you see not started, it means I haven't placed any trends. in this challenge account. Okay, then I have like challenge type 2. This tells you the kind of variation you are in. A 2-step challenge means you have to pass through phases. Then we have a maximum, actually a maximum daily loss, maximum total loss. This is one of the most important rules. You cannot lose more than $50 in a day, which is 5% of the $1,000 balance. If your account equity drops by more than $50 in one day, you instantly fail a challenge, even if your account is still in profit overall. It's kind of important to know that. Okay, now we have all these sections here on the left side. We have payout. Of course, payouts are like, what they have paid you out. So these are kind of obvious. The billing, you see the billing details there. You have to put in your bank details. The ledger bar, I was shocked to see a lot of actually Kenyans. Here I can see Afghanistan, I can see Kenya. I don't see Uganda. Seems actually Ugandans don't know really to do trading. So this is one of the things which tells me like this platform is really actually legit, because most of the fake platforms, if you sign up from Uganda, they kind of make the users in the legible to look as if they're coming from your country, which is not. But I don't see Uganda here, and definitely Ugandans really don't do a lot of trading. So I can see Afghanistan, Kenyans, India, of course, India is everywhere, I think. Nigeria, Pakistan, all that stuff. My coupons section is there, my funds, the post funds. This is where you can kind of do the funds from, all that stuff, okay? Withdraw funds, you can withdraw transaction ID statement, affiliate. If you want to promote this platform, you can go on affiliate and you get, the code or the link that you can use to kind of share, and you get a commission. Okay, let me go back. Okay, let me go back here. As we have talked, the $1,000. This is not your money to keep or to withdraw. Its only purpose is to be a measuring stick. Okay, VProp Trader is using it to test your skills. They are saying, let's pretend we gave you $1,000. Can you manage it according to our rules and make a profit? What you do with it, you must trade with this $1,000 balance and try to reach the profit target of $100 without breaking the drawdown rules, like losing more than $50 in a day. In short, you use the stimulated challenge balance to improve your skills. If you're successful, the company will pay your profit share into your real money or a balance which you can then withdraw. Yes, actually, I'm seeing here a free challenge and I'm seeing like request a payout. Okay. So basically, don't think of, some guys may be thinking of like, oh, I've seen like $1,000 is free, let me withdraw it. No, this is stimulated, this is domain money. It's just a starting capital for your trading challenge. Okay. So let me click on start free challenge. USD, this is the standard, I believe. Maybe for other countries you may have a different currency, but for now, by default, I think you're given like USDT. And my challenge is 2-step. This is the very common model in prompt farms. It means you have to pass 2 phases of evaluation before getting a funded account. Phase 1, you usually actually have a higher profit target, like 8 to 10%. Then phase 2 usually have a lower profit target of like 5%. And this is made to confirm your consistency. Okay, the other options like instant. Okay, there is instant, there is 1-step, 2-step, climber. Under the instant, likely means you have to pay a higher fee to skip the challenge altogether. Okay, the 1-step, you only have 1 phase to pass. Okay, something like that. And when you go here down, there's something which I really wanted to brief you. I feel, let me first go back. Okay, so under the 2-step, here there is overnight and the weekend. This is a great rule. It means you're allowed to hold your trades overnight and over the weekend, which some firms actually restrict. Then during the news releases, this means you're allowed to trade during major economic news events like NFP or CPI reports, something like that. Leverage is 1 to 100. This is your trading power. It means for every $1 in your account, you can control up to $100 in the market. 1 to 100 is a standard leverage level. Okay. So who can actually use this platform? Who can really use this platform? This platform is me personally, I think this platform is built for consistently profitable but undercapitalized traders. Okay, this platform is great for you if you already have a proven trading strategy. You've been kind of trading on your own, even on a small live account or a demo account, and you have a clear strategy that is consistently profitable over the time. You're not just guessing or getting lucky. Okay, you are highly disciplined with high risk management. You understand concepts like stop loss, risk to reward ratios, and position sizing. More importantly, you can stick to strict rules like the maximum daily loss and maximum total loss without getting emotional. Okay, so I believe this may not really be for everybody, especially if you're a complete beginner in trading. You're just learning what forex, pimps, or leverage are. This platform may really be hard for you, may not really be for you yet. That's what I can say. You will almost actually certainly lose your challenge fee. Your first step should be to learn and practice on a free demo account for several months. Okay. Now, this account may not really be for you if you're looking for get to rich quick. This is not a lottery ticket, guys. Okay, the challenges are specifically designed to filter out gamblers and inconsistent traders. It's a test of skill, not luck. Okay, and also it may not be for you if you struggle with emotional trading. You are type of a person who gets angry after loss and presses a big reward revenge trade. You avoid the drawdown rules very quickly and fail. Discipline is more important than anything else. Okay, in trading. Okay, you cannot comfortably afford. This may not also be for someone who cannot comfortably afford to lose that challenge fee. You should never pay for a prompt farm challenge with money you need for rent, food, or other essential expenses. It should be treated as a business expense that you can afford to risk. Okay, that's what I can really say. And me personally, I think these guys are legit. I haven't really seen anyone who's been scammed by this platform. So I really actually, positive to anyone who is trying to do trading with this platform. Okay. Now it's if you're kind of a person who have a very good trading experience but lack capital, this is the ideal thing. You have the skill to make a good returns, but trading with your own 200 or 500 account doesn't generate enough income. A platform like this gives you access to 10,000 or 100,000 account to leverage your skills for a significant income. Okay, and also it's maybe it can work for someone who wants to make trading a serious source of income. You view trading as a skill or as a professional skill, not just as a hobby or gamble. You're looking for a way to scale your operations. Actually, VProp Trader can really be okay for you. And also it may be for someone who understands and accept the risk of the fee. You know that the fee you pay for a challenge is the cost of the opportunity. You are fully prepared to lose that fee if you fail to meet the targets or break a rule. Okay, so you have to understand this really may not really be for absolute beginners. Okay, let me know what you think about VProp Trader. And don't forget to subscribe if you're kind of a person who love reviews of random apps online. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.